How do you find healing for the deepest pain in your life? Much of our pain has come from the chronic, life-threatening illnesses of our children.
Heart failure, heart transplant, cancer, heart transplant for our daughter.
Another cancer, severe skin condition, another heart transplant, and finally, the death of my brother.
Healing from your emotional pain is possible, but it's not easy.
My wife and I wrote From Pain to Purpose with Dr. David Ferguson because we wanted to create the resource we wish we had during our journey.
From Pain to Purpose doesn't pretend healing is easy, but it tells our story, shares hope, and offers key insight for overcoming intense pain.
If you feel stuck in your pain, or if you have a friend who's struggling, this book is for you.
With personalized questions, writing prompts, it isn't just another book to read, it's a book to do.
It's a game changer. Visit themulletfamily.com, Amazon, or bookstores everywhere to get yours.